In this video, we'll go over the best way to create your white layer for DTF prints. For vector designs, use Illustrator to create your spot color layer. Let's copy this layer and lock the original one. Select all layers and click Unite in the Pathfinder window to combine the objects into one shape. For roll-in printers, give the spot color name RDG_white. For Mamaki printers, any solid color will work. For raster designs, Photoshop will be much easier for creating our white layer. To prepare for a roll-in printer, select the design by holding Ctrl or Command and clicking the layer thumbnail. Click the Channels tab and open the menu and choose New Spot Channel. This will be automatically converted in VersaWorks. For Mamaki printers, we'll start similarly by selecting the design by holding Ctrl or Command and clicking the layer thumbnail. This time, we'll click Layer in the top menu, choose New Fill Layer, and Solid Color. You will convert this using the Special Plate option in RasterLink.